To do the outline stitch, come up from the start of the line and make a short stitch. But don't pull the thread all the way through, leave a small loop holding it above your line. Come back up in the middle of your future stitch and tie the thread. Take the needle down the stitch length forward again, always leaving a loop, and this time bring the needle up through the end of your previous stitch. Make sure that you always hold your loop above the line, otherwise you will create a stem stitch. Continue making your stitches until your outline is complete. The name of this stitch speaks for itself. It's perfect for outlining your designs or just for creating smooth lines. Thanks for watching, I hope it was clear and helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more embroidery tutorials. I would really appreciate your support.